Hey guys, today's video, I'm going to show you how you can use Canva AI for content creation. So first of all, head over to your browser, then type in canva.com and make sure that you're logged into your account. From your left-hand side, you will see this Canva AI. If you click onto it, it will show you an interface like this. Now in here, go ahead, type in your prompt. In my case, I would like to create, let's say, 5 Instagram campaign for sustainable summer line in Dubai. So once you type in your prompt, you're going to have to send it, and it will take a while to create a campaign. In my case, I'm using this simple prompt, but you may go ahead and make your prompt as long as possible, be as descriptive as you can, and add everything that you would like to have in your design. And as you do that, you can see it has generated me more than 5 posts, and each and every one of them is completely editable. If you would like to edit them, all you have to do is click onto it. And likewise, you can select this Use Canva Editor. And you will see that each and everything here is editable, including text, logo, and the picture itself. Now, once you're satisfied, if you would like to save it, select the Share button and save it. And just like so, guys, not only the post, you can also use Canva to, design your captions. So guys, this is how easy it is. Thank you for watching.